Hello friends, today we will discuss about the first problem on Poisson distribution. Now the problem statement is just births in a hospital occur randomly at an average rate of 1.8 births per hour. That means per hour the average rate of birth is 1.8. Now the question is, what is the probability of observing fourth births in a given hour at the hospital? So according to the Poisson distribution, at first we have to think about the random variable, and we are here thinking capital X as the number of births in a given hour. Now the events occur randomly, so we can solve the problem using the Poisson distribution, because here the mean rate lambda has been given, that is 1.8. That is the average rate. So that means the mean rate has been given, and that lambda can be our parameter for the Poisson distribution. Now what the probability distribution for the Poisson distribution formula is? That one is e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x upon x factorial, where x is the value of the random variable. Now here the question is, what is the probability of observing 4 births in a given hour? So that must be our small x, or the value of the random variable. Hence, according to the problem, we have to find out P, that means the probability of the number of births in a given hour, that one is equal to 4, or that one is equal to small x, that one is 4. So e to the power minus lambda, that one is our 1.8. So e to the power minus lambda or minus 1.8 into lambda to the power x, that one is 1.8 to the power 4 upon the x factorial, that one is 4 factorial. Now after calculation we are getting the result, that one is 0.0723. So that is the probability of 4 births in a given hour according to the problem. Let's check the same problem statement with a different problem. What about the probability of observing more than or equal to 2 births in a given hour at the hospital? Once again, observing more than or equal to. So that means we have to find out the probability for capital X greater than equal to 2. Once again, capital X greater than equal to 2, because that is more than or equal. So that must be probability X is equal to 2 plus probability X is equal to 3 plus probability X is equal to 4 plus up to infinite number of probabilities. So that is an impossible case to find out the infinite number of probabilities. So what we can do? So we can find out probability x greater than is equal to 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 2. So when that one is less than 2, so that means there are the probabilities or possibilities that x is equal to 0. That means no birth and only 1 birth. So 1 minus probability of x less than 2 is equal to probability of x greater than equal to 2. So using the same formula as like for the Poisson distribution, here small x is equal to 0 and here the small x is equal to 1. So we are using here that one 1 for that minus for that one e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x, that one is 0 now, upon 0 factorial plus e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x, now that is 1 upon 1 factorial. After calculation we are getting 1 minus 0.16529 plus 0.29753 and the final result is 0.537. So that is the probability of observing more than or equal to 2 births in a given hour at the hospital.